What if you could make money while you sleep or travel the world? What if your livelihood didn't depend on the traditional 9-to-5 grind? Intriguing, isn't it? Well, my friends, this is the essence of financial independence. It's a state of being where you're not tied down by the constraints of a regular job, where your income isn't dictated by the number of hours you clock in at an office. Financial independence offers a freedom that's exhilarating, a freedom that allows you to live life on your terms. And guess what? Making money online can be your vehicle to this freedom. In this video, we're going to delve into the strategies that can help you earn a living online. From freelancing, to blogging, e-commerce, to online teaching. We're going to explore the endless opportunities that the digital world offers. Ready to explore the path to financial freedom through online income? Keep watching. Ever heard of freelancing? It's not just for writers and graphic designers anymore. In today's digital age, the world of freelancing has expanded and diversified, offering opportunities for almost any skill set you can imagine. Picture this: you're a programmer, coding away in the comfort of your own home, setting your own hours, picking projects that spark your interest. Or perhaps you're a whiz at digital marketing, helping businesses reach their target audience from halfway across the globe. It's not science fiction, it's the reality of online freelancing. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. No more 9-to-5 grind, no more commuting. You have the freedom to work when and where you want. This flexibility extends to the kind of work you do. Whether you're a virtual assistant, a social media manager, or a voiceover artist, there's a freelancing gig out there for you. But let's talk about the potential income. Sure, starting out might be tough. But once you've built a reputation, the sky's the limit. High-quality work commands high rates, and many freelancers earn more than their traditionally employed counterparts. Imagine that, earning more while working in your pajamas. And the best part? You're not limited to one job. As a freelancer, you can take on multiple projects, diversifying your income stream. One month you could be designing a logo for a startup, the next you could be managing a social media campaign for a big brand. Variety is the spice of life, after all. Of course, freelancing isn't all rainbows and unicorns. It requires discipline, dedication, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. You'll need to market your services, handle your own taxes, and deal with the occasional difficult client. But the rewards, both financial and personal, can far outweigh the challenges. Online freelancing is more than just a side gig or a way to make ends meet. It's a viable career path with the potential for substantial income and, ultimately, financial independence. With skills and dedication, freelancing can be a lucrative path to financial independence. Do you have a passion or expertise you'd love to share with the world? Blogging might be your ticket to online income. Imagine having a platform where you can express your thoughts, share your knowledge, and connect with like-minded individuals. Now imagine if that platform could also serve as your income stream. Yes, that's the power of blogging. Setting up a blog is simpler than you might think. It starts with choosing a niche or topic you're passionate about. Once you've got that, you need a domain name and a hosting platform. There are plenty of options out there that offer user-friendly interfaces even for beginners. Once your blog is up and running, you need to create engaging content. This could be articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, or a combination of these. The key is to provide value to your audience. You want to educate, entertain, or inspire them. The more value you provide, the more likely they'll keep coming back for more. Now let's talk about making money through your blog. One of the most popular ways is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your blog and earning a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. The company gets a sale, and you get paid for promoting their product. And the best part? You don't even need to have your own product. Affiliate marketing has the potential to provide passive income. Once you've written a blog post with an affiliate link, that post can continue to generate income long after it's been published. It's not uncommon for bloggers to earn money from posts that are several years old. However, it's important to remember that blogging and affiliate marketing are not get-rich-quick schemes. They require time, effort, and most importantly, patience. You won't see results overnight, but with consistency you can build a loyal audience and a steady income stream. With patience and consistency, blogging and affiliate marketing can be a steady source of income. Ever dreamt of owning a store but dread the overheads? Welcome to the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. This modern marketplace revolution is making it easier than ever to run your own business from the comfort of your couch. Let's start with setting up your online store. There are numerous platforms out there that allow you to create your own e-commerce website without needing to be a coding whiz. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce are just a few examples. They offer an array of templates, easy-to-use interfaces, and plenty of support to help you get started. Now, on to sourcing products. This is where the dropshipping model shines. Traditionally, you'd need to buy and store inventory, a costly venture that carries the risk of unsold stock. Dropshipping, on the other hand, allows you to sell products directly from the manufacturer to the customer. You never have to touch the product, and you only pay for what you sell. There are plenty of dropshipping suppliers out there, such as AliExpress and Salehu, who offer a wide range of products. Of course, running an e-commerce business isn't just about setting up a store and sourcing products, it's about creating an appealing and trustworthy brand. This means investing in high-quality product images and descriptions, excellent customer service, and a user-friendly website. It's also crucial to stay on top of market trends and adjust your product offerings accordingly. But the potential for profit in e-commerce and dropshipping is enormous. In 2023, the global e-commerce market was worth over $3 trillion, and it's predicted to keep growing. That's a lot of potential customers who could be browsing your online store. However, remember that success in e-commerce, like any business, requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with hard work and smart strategies, it can be a profitable venture. With smart strategies and customer focus, e-commerce can be a goldmine. So why not take the plunge and start your e-commerce journey today? Are you an expert in a particular field? Why not leverage your knowledge to earn online? Let's dive into the world of online teaching and coaching. These platforms have become a powerhouse of knowledge sharing and a significant source of income for many. If you've honed a particular skill or mastered a subject, you could be sitting on a goldmine. All you need is the passion to share what you know and the ability to translate your expertise into a form that others can understand and appreciate. Online teaching platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare are changing the way we learn. From finance to photography, coding to cooking, there's a market for almost every skill. You can create a course, set your price, and reach a global audience. The beauty of these platforms is their accessibility. You can teach from anywhere, at any time, and to anyone. But let's not forget about personal online coaching. This is a more direct and personalized approach. It's about building relationships with your clients, understanding their needs, and tailoring your knowledge to help them achieve their goals. This could be fitness coaching, business coaching, language coaching, you name it. If you have a knack for helping others succeed and a talent for marketing your services, this could be a lucrative path for you. The potential for income in online teaching and coaching is substantial, but remember, it's not just about the money. It's about the satisfaction of sharing your knowledge, the thrill of helping others grow, and the joy of watching your students succeed. So, do you have a unique skill or a wealth of knowledge that others could benefit from? Maybe it's time to consider sharing it with the world. By taking advantage of these online platforms and coaching opportunities, you're not only enriching the lives of others, but also creating a path towards your own financial independence. With a love for teaching and a knack for marketing, online teaching or coaching could be your key to financial independence. Financial independence isn't a pipe dream. It's achievable with the right strategies and a bit of elbow grease. We've journeyed through the world of online freelancing, explored the potential of blogging and affiliate marketing, dipped our toes into e-commerce and dropshipping, and seen the impact of online teaching or coaching. Each of these strategies offers a unique path to making money online, and with it, a step towards financial independence. Remember, the internet is a vast, ever-changing landscape, ripe with opportunities for those willing to seize them. It's a tool, a platform, a marketplace, and a classroom, all rolled into one. The potential for financial independence lies not only in the strategies we've discussed, but in your willingness to adapt, learn, and persevere. Now it's your turn to act. Subscribe to Motivational Grand Rising, like this video, and share it with your friends. Remember, the journey to financial independence begins with a single step. Take that step today.